Good morning. Welcome to Mishmas Day 2. I made my coffee. I'm letting it cool off a little bit. So I'm just enjoying this very brisk morning. It is 40 degrees out. It's probably about 35 when I woke up. And it's lovely. It's lovely. How are you guys doing? We are well underway, aren't we? We are on day 2. My gosh. I can't believe it's December. Isn't it crazy? All right. Let me get this coffee. We can sit down and discuss this particular beanbox coffee today. Where did it go? All right. We've got the tree up. So nice, isn't it? So nice. Okay. So from, well, that writing is small. Broadcast coffee, I believe that says. Broadcast coffee from Seattle, Washington. We have sweater weather coffee. So it tastes like molten lava cake, toffee, nutty. The roast level is medium and cozy. I love a cozy roast level. It is super chocolatey. I mean, I feel like there's always a little bit of a nutty taste, nutty flavor in coffee. But this one's really chocolatey. I don't know if I taste the toffee. But this one is good, I think, if you like a chocolatey coffee, which I prefer. Like a chocolatey versus like a fruity. Yeah. Ooh, lovely. Lovely. All right. Well, it's day 2. And I have, well, it'll probably be on the thumbnail, so you probably know what's going to happen today. But I have a really exciting unboxing to share with you guys. I am so excited about this purchase. I cannot wait to show you guys. I think you guys are going to love it. So I think that's pretty much going to be the bulk of today's Mishmas. Don't have much else to share with you. It's a pretty quiet morning. I don't have any plans to go anywhere. Thank God. Some days it's like I wake up and I think, okay, what do I have to do today? And if I don't have to leave the house, I get very excited. Very, very excited. Not always, but most of the time. So that's today. So I should shower, get ready, and let's do this unboxing. Oh my gosh, I got way ahead of myself. I downed my coffee, ran upstairs, and I was like, wait a second, I have to do the advent calendars. Let's do the advent calendars and then we'll do the unboxing. All right, let's look for number 2. It's down here. Here we go. Over here. I already forget what we got yesterday. Oh, I think we got the ginger biscuit, right? So this is the White Moss and Snowdrop Cologne, another limited edition fragrance for the holiday season. I don't know if they've turned this into a part of their regular collection, but I know this came out for the holidays. Ooh, it smells really, really clean. I would say this is very unisex. And then let's do Sisley. I know I'm doing these a little bit out of order. I'm always gonna start with Jo Malone. I'm always gonna end with Diptyque. I think that's what we're doing. So today for Sisley, I still can't get over how fun this design is, or the designing of this package is. Here's number 2 down here. And we've got, ooh, the Eau de Soie. This is an EDP. Am I familiar with this one? Let's see. Ooh, it's very fresh and clean. Oh, I like that. You know what? I think I have a little sample of this upstairs. Lovely. Okay, next we have YSL. Ooh, it's a big one. Huh. Ooh, it's a pencil. Let's see. It is the waterproof eye pencil in black. Ooh, this is great. This is great for travel. Next is Decourte. Cannot get over how gorgeous this artwork is. Look at that owl. And I feel like I see something new every time I open this. Okay, where is number 2? I think it's right over here. Ooh, wow. The Decourte Liposome Advanced. Let's see, is this? I think this is like an evening cream. The Repair Cream. Ooh, so exciting. Wow, love that. And Diptyque, let's see. Number 2, where is it? Oh, here it is, number 2, the little tab was blocking it. And we have the EDP of Eau de Minte. I'm gonna totally be mispronouncing so many of these names. That's so nice, so fresh and clean. And like most diptyque fragrances, very, very unisex. Well, that is it for day 2. All right, guys, I've gotten ready for the day. And I think what we're gonna do today is just unbox a handbag that I purchased. I am so excited for this. So I actually got this through my sales associate at CELINE, and I saw it online and I was like, do you have this in store? He's like, I'll just have it sent to you. I was like, perfect, because I just didn't have time to run to the strip, whatever. Anyway, so it just arrived. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I do not think you guys are going to be surprised at this purchase at all. In fact, if you want to comment down below right now which sleeve bag you think I got, please feel free, because you're probably right. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. I have been having quite the CELINE moment over the past few months, or I want to say this year. I feel like my love for CELINE has really grown and grown and grown and has reached this kind of like fever pitch. Anyway, I just got, actually it's sitting right here, I just picked up this bag a couple of weeks ago and I love it. This is like my everyday bag now. This has replaced my Loewe puzzle bag, which I still love. I still love, but I just needed a change. So this, yeah, this has been my very good friend over the past few weeks. So let me get this box open. Oh, it's one of those boxes that has the pull tab, but they taped over the pull tab, and I thought I cut where I needed to cut and I didn't. Oh, and while I'm performing surgery on this box, I'm wearing that Kate thick cashmere sweater that I got. I don't, when did I get this? Like, I got it on sale, so I feel like I got it in the spring. It was probably when the winter season was over, and I thought, I cannot wait until I can wear this. And I can wear this. I'm like not broiling. It's finally cold enough in Vegas. I'm so excited. So anyway, that's what I've got on today. Having terrible luck with this box. Hold on. Alrighty. Woo! Ta-da! Oh, it looks like a shoebox. It's not. It's it's for a bag. We're gonna do this all together. Let me get this lid off very ungracefully. Zip bag. Okay. Any last guesses? Any last guesses? Put them down below in the comment section. Okay. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I got a teen Triomphe bag with leopard printed velvet. Oh my god. I am so in love. So in love. The leather is black. Hardware is gold, obviously. And gosh, when I saw this on the site, I was like, yes, yes ma'am, that is what I want. So it's just like the classique Triomphe bag. It's got a major pocket and then a front pocket, a back pocket, which is very flat, zippered pocket in there, and then the same Triomphe clasp. It just has one side with a button that you need to depress. No pocket or anything on the back. And then let me put this strap, put it on the second to last. Is that long enough? Let's see. Oh, this teen size is so cute. So, so cute. At first I was like, oh, why don't they have this in the classique size? But I think with this printing and the velvet, I think it's like much more special in this more petite size. I'm gonna actually make this strap a little bit longer. I've got one more hole. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's good. This is good, especially because this sweater is so thick. Yeah, I need that extra length. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. The velvet's really soft. Ooh, it's so nice. Well, I do have my classique size right here, so let's do a little comparison. Is probably the same thickness, right? I'd say the same thickness. And then it is just an inch, I would say, shorter and then maybe a couple inches less wide. So it's the same, smaller, but same like proportion wise, I would say. So it has like the same shape as the Classique. Interesting. I always thought the teen was more square, like it was going to be a little bit taller, but no, it's short too. Like I thought it had a similar height to the Classique, is what I'm trying to say. I love it. Do you guys like? Of course, I would get an animal print Triomphe bag. This Triomphe bag, I know I've said this 1,000 times, but I got this when I went to Paris in February, and I really didn't think, not that I didn't think much of it, I was really excited to get the bag. It's a beautiful bag, absolutely, no doubt. I just didn't think that I would wear it as much as I did. I really didn't think that it could transcend like all of these different styles. I'm usually much more casual, and in my head I thought, you know what, I'm probably just gonna wear that like when I go out to dinner, when I'm wearing a dress or something, because of that polished leather and the boxy shape. But it really, I don't know what it is, because I don't think a lot of bags with the same look and feel could do this, but I feel like it works crossbody casually. It also, like when I shorten up the strap and just use it as a shoulder bag, it does work really nicely for like an evening bag. I don't know, it's so great. I've just fallen like head over heels in love with that Triomphe bag more and more, like the more I wear it. And I'm so happy to be trying like a different size out. Oh, this is so great. I have to contact my sales associate and let him know that I got it and that I love it. Now, CELINE has a pair of loafers with this leopard print on top. I don't know if it's velvet, but I'm wondering if I should try those. There may be another CELINE haul during Mishmas, but yeah, I don't know, I've just been like, every time I walk into the CELINE boutique, I'm like, this is it. Like, I love the vibe. The whole store is like chrome, and it's mirrored, and there's black marble everywhere, and the colors are so neutral. There's like not one thing in there that kind of jumps out at you like is a hot pink or something. Like that always happens when you walk into Dior or Chanel or Louis Vuitton, even Prada, which is like generally kind of modern and minimal or whatever. They have a lot of colors that pop out at you. But CELINE, I feel like CELINE and YSL, you walk in and it's just this like neutral heaven. I love it. I love it. Okay, so let's do a quick what fits in this Teen Triomphe. So I'm just going to open it up, and I'm going to put in here what I normally would. That would be my phone. That fits nicely. I have an iPhone. What is this? This is a Pro 14. It's not the latest, but it's not a Max either. So this is just a Pro. I've got my Loewe card case. That fits nicely in there. I've got my car key. Let me see if that fits in the front here, if that's too thick. Maybe that'll go right in here. Right in there. And then I usually have some sort of lip balm and floss. Let's see if we can stick those in the front. I wonder actually, would it make sense to put my phone in the front? Is it too thick? It's a little too thick. And let me close this up actually. Would this fit nicely? That actually fits nicely in the front. Let's see if it closes and how it looks. Yeah, it doesn't look too like out of shape. I don't like when just shoving stuff in and then it like completely distorts the bag. No, that looks pretty good. All right, so all my essentials fit. Let's see, would I be able to fit anything else in here? You know what I wouldn't be able to fit in here is a pair of sunglasses. I think that's the only thing that I'd want to be able to stick in here. But you know what I've been in the habit of doing, especially with crossbody bags? So this will be like basically at my side. I've just been hooking my sunglasses into the hardware somewhere. I know that's probably not the safest thing, but I'm always like pulling it in and out anyway, so. But I would say that's the only thing that I would like to fit in here that doesn't. But otherwise, it fits all the essentials. Nice and tidy. All right, guys, that is it for Mishmas Day 2. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I think we're off to a good start. Have a little fashion haul tomorrow. I'm going to be bringing you my November favorites. So that's going to be a lot of fun. But that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow for the next installment of Mishmas. Bye.